Hello, today we are talking about how metalworking experts can help uncover cost savings that last. To do that, I'm joined by Sarah and Lindsay. Sarah, why don't you kick us off? Can you give us a quick overview of what your role is with Fastenal?
Yeah, hello. My role with Fastenal is a regional metalworking sales manager for the Northeastern United States. My team's comprised of metalworking sales specialists who own the relationship with our customer base and field application specialists who are those true spindle experts working as a fiduciary with our customers to create value.
And how about you, Lindsay? Are you working on Sarah's team?
Yes, I'm actually a metalworking sales specialist for Sarah.
Okay. So, Sarah, why do people come to Fastenal for metalworking help?
People come to Fastenal for metalworking help because Fastenal is known in the industry as a supply chain expert. And our true go to market strategy is trying to help our customers eliminate stockouts, eliminate downtime, and get their products out the door on time to their customer base. And by taking on that metalworking category as a part of that supply chain management program, they can trust that the technology and the people behind the solution that is presented to them will get them where they need to go into the future.
So, Lindsay, when you're out helping an organization, are you out? Are you on site with them, or are you on the phone? What's a typical interaction look like?
A lot of the time we're on site with our customer. We like to work directly with them because there's areas where we're going to have to dive in and physically look at these applications, help identify that current state, and move forward with a potential solution. We do field phone calls every now and then, but those usually end up being on-site visits.
So, what are some examples of how you've helped in the past? Do people come to you with their problems, or do you have to seek them out with solutions?
A good portion of our interactions are in person, on site. It is where we add the most value as a team. Um, it allows us to work directly with our customers to identify areas of improvement and then really work through that three-step process that we've adopted as a team, where we identify the current state of the issue, where we think that the project and partnering with each other will go. And then I would deploy a field application specialist to manage that project throughout the life of it. The test at the spindle, as well as documenting what those findings are, and then creating a value summary for our customer, highlighting the events within that test process.
Uh, Life cycle savings. Sarah, I bet your brain is just lighting up. What does life cycle savings mean, and how can people find them?
Life cycle savings is determined by the customer and Fastenal agreeing on what they value in their process to manufacture their end good. So for some of our customers, it's process and productivity improvement, it's tool life improvement, or it's simply just getting them into the right tool that will give them direct cost savings over their current supply chain.
As women in a male dominated field, what do you hope to see for young women coming into the field?
My perspective would just be for women coming into the field to have confidence. Know that we're dealing more and more with women MEs, manufacturing engineers, and that there are more of us out there in the industry than ever before. I would say, from a standpoint of confidence, if as long as you come to the table with an aptitude, an appetite to succeed, this is something that can be learned and trained over time.
Well, Sarah and Lindsay, thanks for your time today. Before we go, where can people reach out if they want to get in touch?
Cutting tool support at fastenal.com.